Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, November 29th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I had high hopes for today and ended up somewhat disappointed. Um, we, we had 28,000 plus dollars in open trade equity yesterday, and by the time we got out today, we closed out positive $16,600. In other words, we got a little better than half of what we had yesterday on the close. That's not this way this is supposed to work. I've been doing this for more than 2 decades, and the reason I stay in 2 to 3 days on these trades is all my research has shown that you make substantially more money by doing so. And I'm used to, with a situation like we had yesterday, big, huge day. Dow, you can see the Dow climbed 600 plus points yesterday. We got into a pile of positions. We have $28,000 plus in open trade equity. In normal circumstances, I would have expected to get out with possibly as much as $40,000, maybe even $50,000 in profits today. And what I said yesterday, we needed a little bit of follow through to do that. Well, you can see here with the Dow started out negative, then it went positive, and then it sold off last 15 minutes. That's kind of ugly. I don't like the look of that chart. Officially, the Dow is down 28 points for today. That's no big deal, but again, I would have expected the day after a 600-point gain that we might get a little bounce here at the beginning, and we got the opposite, and that cut into our profits. We had profit takers all over the place on all our positions. So it is discouraging. Nevertheless, I'll take the $16,000 profit. That isn't so bad. We're having a very tough time here. We started out November losing every single day, I think, for the first 2 weeks. I mean, it was just absolutely horrible. We pulled out of that, had a couple good days, racked up $50,000 in profits in 2 days in a row. And then we had this day, which is 16,000 plus. Those 3 profitable days have pushed us, so we should finish the month with $12,000-$13,000 in profit. But that's a tough way to make that kind of money, and that isn't a lot of profit for us. I'm used to doing better than that. Anyway, I hate to complain so much, but it's just, this is discouraging. We're having this pattern where we get, if we get pretty decent profits at the end of the day, they dissolve the next day. And that's not the pattern we like to see. It's not the pattern that my algorithm is designed to take advantage of. Anyway, I'll show you a little more here with the individual stocks. This is UGAZ, the natural gas bull, and we bought that yesterday, and we finished the day up $7,400. This morning, by the time we get out of that, we're taking out $2,400. $400. That's a big drop in equity on that trade. Here's another one. This is New Age Beverage Corporation, and we got this toward the end of the day yesterday. It closed up very strong. We had $6,600 in open trade there. Down it comes for that open, and we took out $3,900 out of that trade. Good drop there. And then finally, one more just like this. This is Acadia Pharmaceuticals. Bought that yesterday right out of the gate. It performed beautifully yesterday, and we're finished today with $5,500 open trade. Slammed this morning, and we get out with $3,300. So our profits, again cut 40% or so with this. And this pattern existed with all our stocks, and that's where we saw about $14,000 fly out the window this morning in the first hour of the day. So this is discouraging. We did make money. I didn't mention also we got into 3 positions, 1 positive, 2 negative, and we're holding negative $1,000 going into tomorrow. Hopefully that isn't going to get really sour tomorrow either. We'll see. Last day of the month. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on my favorite day, Friday.